Okay, so yesterday we have talked about instant drill number 14 and example 14, which is an integrated question type. Okay, so that is involving equation of straight line and equation of circles. Okay, today I would like to talk about a few more examples on this type of questions about the integration of equation of straight lines and equation of circles. So everything is mixing up together into one single question. Okay, so there will be more than one lines in the question. We have straight lines, we have circles, and so on. Okay, and then we will calculate the slope, the distance between points, and then we may calculate the center and the radius of the circle, and so on. Okay, so first, let's go to instant drill corner on page 7.26. Page 7.26. Question number 5, which is also in the Math app. Okay, so that is the second question of the last classwork of the classwork of yesterday, which is instant drill corner on page 7.26. Just do question number 5 together. Okay. 好嗱，呢一題咧，其實同琴日嗰兩題咧，嗰個模式係差唔多一樣咁滯嘅。OK， 差唔多嘅啫。咁但係咧，佢俾得少啲嘢你咁樣樣。OK， 咁就我哋可能咧需要做嘅嘢咧，會即係自己諗嘅嘢咧要多啲，就唔會話好似琴日嗰個example 或者係 instant drill 咁樣啦，佢一步一步 guide 住你去做。OK， 咁但係咧，基本上要做嘅嘢咧，同琴日做嗰兩題咧係一模一樣咁滯嘅。OK， 咁我哋睇睇咯喎。So the equation of the straight line L is x minus y minus 2 equals 0。咦唔係喎，呢題係簡單啲添嘅噃，因為咧琴日咧我哋 A part 咧就係要揾嗰條直線嘅 equation 係嘛，而家咧我哋直頭咧題目就直頭俾埋條直線嘅 equation 嚟㗎啦，即係唔使你自己去計嘅。好 OK？ 呢題係反而簡單啲㗎。咁我哋一睇下有啲咩咯喎。嗱，有咗呢樣嘢喺度啦，但係跟住即係當中呢條直線同埋其他啲點啊、圓形啊之間嘅關係係啲咩咧？咁繼續睇埋落去咯噃。Point A and point B are 2 points on the circle C. So there is another circle, circle C. And then point A and point B are 2 points on this circle. And the center of C lies on L. The center of the circle C lies on the straight line L. Okay? And then find the coordinates of center of C. 好啦，嗱，如果你去到呢度咧，都仲係即係懵盛盛，其實都唔知做咗啲咩，即係唔知有啲咩俾你嘅話咧，我哋就試下畫一畫幅圖出嚟先，是但畫得㗎啦。OK？ 即係簡單嚟講咧，而家我有條直線，是但畫得㗎啦。即係究竟嗰個方向啱唔啱啊？暫時冇乜所謂嘅。我哋陣間如果真係需要用一啲，需要去到一啲relative position 嘅話咧，我哋先至再慢慢去到modify 佢咁樣樣。好啦，然之後咧個 center of C lies on L 呢一樣嘢咧，我哋就要準確啦。即係咧圓形嘅中心點，即係圓心啦，係喺呢條線上面嘅喎，或者調轉嚟講，即係呢條直線咧係穿過呢個圓形嘅圓心嘅。OK，the straight line L passes through the center of circle C。好，咁勁嘅，等陣啊！咁即係可能咧，大約係咁樣樣都唔定喎，係嘛？即係呢度咧，我哋會有一個 center。呢個 center 咧，圓形嘅圓心咧，係喺呢條直線上邊嘅。好唔 OK？ 呢度 get 到啊？嗬，得唔得 ？The center of C lies on the straight line L。OK？ 好啦，跟住仲有 A 同埋 B 咧，就係圓形上面嘅兩點嚟嘅。Point A is 2, 1。OK， 咁是但啦。呢個係 point A。So let me type the point. A coordinates is 2, 1. Okay, and then we have another point. Point B is 50。咁啊，當係呢度啦，都唔重要嘅，即係啱唔啱個位，你畫得啱唔啱位咧，唔係太重要嘅。OK， 好啦，我哋叫而家咧就話啦 ，Part A find the coordinates of the centre of C， 我哋即係要揾咧 C 呢一點嘅坐標係啲乜嘢嘢啦 ？OK， 唔係 C 呢一點，呢點即係 C 就係個圓形嚟嘅。OK， 圓心呢一點，不如我哋俾個名佢先啦，叫 G。Let G be the centre。OK， 咁我哋咧要揾嘅坐標，咁我哋 let 咁樣樣咯。Let the coordinates of the centre be H and K。得唔得？好啦，第一樣嘢，嗱呢度咧呢條直線個 line L 係有條 equation 嘅，就係 x minus y minus 2 equals 0，就係呢條直線嘅 equation 係咪？咁第一樣嘢咧，一點係喺一條直線上面嘅話咧，我哋就可以 put 嗰點嘅坐標入去嗰條線嘅 equation。OK， 即係咁樣樣啦。Put G H K into the equation of L. Okay, put the coordinates of the point into the equation of the line. Okay, so the equation of L is x minus y minus 2 equals 0. When we put h into x and put k into y, it becomes h minus k minus 2 equals 0. Okay, normally I will make h to be the subject first. H is equal to k plus 2 and label this to be equation 1. Okay, 因為咧我哋有兩個未知數係嘛，有 h 有 k 兩個 unknowns， 所以其實咧我哋會 expect 會有兩條 equations 去到 solve 佢嘅。Okay, so we will expect two equations. Okay, to set up two equations to solve the two unknowns h and k. So the first information is that the point G is lying on the straight line L. Okay, and then we get equation 1. And the second information, what else do we have? Is that GA and GB are both the radius of the circle. GA is the radius, right? GB is also the radius. So their distance should be equal to each other. Okay? So what is the length of GA? How to calculate the length of GA? We have the coordinates of G and coordinates of A. So we can use the distance formula, square root of h minus 2 bracket square plus k minus 1 bracket square. Okay, so that is GA. And then GB is square root, again, we have the coordinates. So we just use the distance formula, h minus 5 square plus k minus 0 square. Okay, and because we know that both of them are the radius of the same circle, so we can say that GA is equal to GB. And then, so this is h minus 2 square plus k minus 1 square is equal to h minus 5 square plus k minus 0 square. Okay, and then because both sides have a square root, okay, rooting everything inside the square root, right? So we can cancel out the square root by taking square on both sides. Okay, so just deleting the square root, So h minus 2 square plus k minus 1 square is equal to h minus 5 square plus k minus 0 is just k. So this is k square. And then we can expand all the bracket by using the a minus b bracket square identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then plus k square. Okay, so if you remember what we have done yesterday, then you should remember that the h square terms and the k square terms will be cancelled by each other. So what is remaining on the left hand side is just negative 4h plus 4, and then minus 2k plus 1. The right-hand side is negative 10h plus 25. Okay, and then you move all the terms to the left-hand side. Okay, we have 6h minus 2k, and then we have minus 20 equals 0. And you notice that all the numbers are even numbers. So we cancel out, we divide every term by 2. So we have 3h minus k minus 10 equals 0. And that is our equation 2. Okay? But we have already made h to be the subject of equation 1. So we just substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Okay, so from equation 2 we have 3h, but h is replaced by k plus 2, and then minus k minus 10 equals 0. Expanding bracket, 3k plus 6 minus k minus 10 equals 0. Okay, and then 2k minus 4 is equal to 0. 2k is 4 and k is 2. And that's how we can find the value of k. And then when we have found the value of k, we just substitute the value of k into equation 1 to calculate the value of h. So h is equal to 2 plus 2. So h is equal to 4. Which means that, therefore, the coordinates of the center of C is equal to h and k, that is 4 and 2. That is the answer of part A. 嗱，睇下大家有冇信心做到喎？係比較長啲嘅，但係咧，我想講呢度咧，雖然係長，但係其實即係好大嘅幅度咧，都係一啲 calculation steps 嚟嘅啫，即係拆下括號，同埋計下啲 like terms 化簡咁樣嘅啫。要諗嘅嘢，要識嘅嘢咧，唔係真係太多嘅。所以咧呢度咧，即係如果有志係想攞高少少分嘅同學，我覺得呢一種題目咧都可以有機會可以做到嘅，只要小心啲嘅話咧就可以做到噶啦。因為你要記嘅嘢唔係真係太多，要識嘅嘢唔係太多，好唔 OK？ 同埋次次都係咁樣嘅 ，OK？ 即係唔係刁鑽嘅題目嚟嘅，簡單嚟講，得唔得 ？Part B， find the equation of C in the general form. C is a circle, and we are going to find the equation of the circle. So, what do we need? In order to find the equation of a circle, we need the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius. But we have already found the center of the circle C. So, center is equal to HK, and that is 4, 2, yes, 4 and 2. Okay, how about radius? We do not have any radius, but we know that GA is a radius. GB is also a radius, right? So because we have already found the values of H and K, so we just pick any one of them to calculate the radius. So radius is equal to square root of H minus 2. So that is 4 minus 2 bracket square plus K minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 bracket square. Okay, so that is 2 square plus 1 square. That is square root of 5. Okay, so we have got the center, we have got the radius, and then we are ready to find the equation of the circle C. Okay, equation of C will be x minus h, that is 4 square, plus y minus k, that is 2 square, equals r square. Okay, that's like this. But we need to expand the bracket because the question asks us to find the equation in general form, which means that we need to expand the bracket. So x squared minus 2ab, that is 2x4, that is 8x, plus b squared, that is 4 squared, that is 16. And then y squared minus 2y2, that is 4y, plus 2 squared, that is 4. The right hand side is 5. And then we just arrange the terms in the correct order. So x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 4y, minus 4y, and then plus 16 plus 4 minus 5 becomes plus 15 equals 0. And that is the answer of part B. Is that okay? Okay, and I would like to do a few more exercise today. Let me see. 嗱，今日咧可能同大家做多一題啫。咁呢題就冇擺落去 Math App 嗰度嘅。OK， 先啊，想同大家做一題咧係 Level 2嘅題目嚟嘅。喺呢度後邊嗰版啊。係啦，冇錯。Number 19，Number 19。This is exercise 8B. Question number 19. (7B) should be. Chapter 7 嚟㗎，唔記得咗添。Chapter 7? Yes. Number 19. Oh, 睇睇咯。A circle C intersects at the y-axis at point P, where the coordinates is 0, 5, and point Q coordinates are 0 and -1. OK， 即係個兩個 y intersect 喎，係嘛 ？OK， 得唔得？一個就喺0.5 above x-axis 嘅，另一個咧就喺0-1係 below x-axis 嘅。OK，the center of the circle lies on the straight line L, where the slope of L is 2 and the x-intercept of L is 4。OK， 好啦，咁就應該咧係嗱，我都係咧，你是但畫嘅啫，是但畫，唔一定準確嘅呢度。咁但係咧，我哋知道嗰啲關係咁得㗎啦。我哋有個 circle 啦，係嘛？呢條線就係咁樣嘅。畫埋條線出嚟先啦啊！而家直線，睇先 ，like this, and then the circle should be like this. OK， 大概就咁樣啦。咁啊，其實就應該唔準確嘅。咁但係咧，我哋睇一睇喎。The circle C intersects the y-axis at point P and point Q。咁即係邊兩點啊？講緊係咪即係 the y-intercept this one and this one? Of course, the upper one should be the one with positive y-intercept. That should be point P. Okay? Because this is above the x-axis. This one is point P. Can you get this? And then point Q should be the lower one. Q, 0 and -1. Okay, the center of the circle lies on a straight line L. Okay, the center of the circle is on the straight line L. Should be somewhere here. 係嘛？又係咁樣喎，又係個圓心係喺條直線上面嘅。The slope of the straight line L is 2. Slope is 2, and the x-intercept of L is 4. X-intercept of L should be this place. And this is 4, which means that the coordinates, okay, because it is x-intercept is 4, so the x coordinate should be 4. And because it is on the x-axis, so the y coordinate should be equal to 0. Okay? Can you get this? 4, 0. Okay? 仲有咧，呢個 slope is equal to 2. Slope of this straight line is 2. Okay? 好啦，我哋將咧題目嘅文字嘅嘢咧都已經擺晒落幅圖度啦，係嘛 ？Okay? Part A, find the equation of L. Equation of L. L is a straight line. I want to find the equation of a straight line. So what do I need? I need a point slope equation. Do we have points on L? Yes. It is 4, 0. This point is lying on the straight line L. Okay? Do we have slope of L? Yes. It is directly given by the question. It is equal to 2. So we are very ready to find the equation of L. Okay? So point is 4, 0. And then slope is equal to 2. And then equation will be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? So it's y equals 2x minus 8. And then moving all the terms to the right-hand side. Okay? 0 is equal to 2x minus y minus 8. Finally, writing all the terms on the left. And that is the answer of part A. Is that okay? And then part B. B1. Find the coordinates of the center C. Center C. Again, center of C, I mean, this point. Let us call this point G. And with coordinates H and K first. 係咪又係咁樣啊？好似頭先嗰幾題咁樣喎。而家呢點咧，圓形嘅圓心係喺呢條直線上面嘅。跟住咧，我哋又有兩個 point 喺圓形上面嘅喎，係嘛 ？OK， 咁我哋咧又可以列兩條式出嚟㗎啦。OK，so first we can put the coordinates of G into the equation of L. Okay. So that is 2h minus k minus 8 equals 0. And then let us move the k to be the subject of this equation. So 2h minus 8 is equal to k. And write a k on the left. Label this to be equation 1. Okay. And then we need equation 2. But we have 2 points on the circle. Again, we can form the radius. GP and GQ. Okay, and then and we just say them, put them to be equal. And that will be the second equation. Okay, so GP can be calculated by using the distance formula. So h minus 0 square plus k minus 5 square root. And GQ can also be found by the distance formula. H minus 0 square plus k minus negative 1. Sorry. K minus negative 1 square. Okay. Well, let us just simplify this first. I don't like keeping the h minus 0 for so long. Okay. And I don't like keeping the minus negative for so long. K plus 1 square. Okay, so this is GP and GQ. And we know that they should be equal to each other because they are both the radius of the same circle. GP is equal to GQ. So h squared plus k minus 5 squared is equal to h squared plus k plus 1 squared. Taking square on both sides. So we have h squared plus an expanding bracket, k squared minus 10k plus 25. H squared plus k squared plus 2k plus 1. H squared and k squared are both cancelled by each other, right? So what is remaining is negative 10k plus 25. is equal to 2k plus 1. That is very good because we don't have two unknowns in this equation. We just have one unknown, right? So 25 minus 1 is equal to 2k plus 10k. 24 is equal to 12k. So k is equal to 2. We can calculate one of the unknown directly. And then we just substitute k equals 2 into equation 1. Okay, so 2 is equal to 2h minus 8. 2h, sorry, minus 8. And then 10 is equal to h, and h is equal to 5. Which means that the coordinates of the center of C should be h and k. And that is the answer of B1. Okay. So I don't have time to complete this question today. So I will complete this question tomorrow. Okay. So maybe let's continue tomorrow. So if you have no more problems, that is the end of this lesson, and you may leave now. Goodbye.
Hello, Mr.
Yes.
Where can I find the Zoom videos, the recorded Zoom videos?
The recorded videos. That is here. Please wait. Can you see my shared screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to give you the link in the chat room.
All right.
Can you get this?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you click the homework. And for example, if you you just click 5P, right? 5P maths and display.
Wait, there's like submit homework, list homework, review homework, but there's like no.
If the homework will be the Math app. Do you know the Math app?
Yeah.
That is this one. This is the place you need to submit the homework. Okay, I give you the link here. And the username is your student number, and the password is LKL and then your student's number. Okay, and then you need to what is your student number? 166幾多啊
16071。
16071 Okay, and then LKL 16071 Okay, can you see my screen? So this is your name, right? And then you click submit homework here, submit homework. And then you'll find all the classwork and homework, okay? You need to submit all the homework, okay? The classwork, if you, after submitting all the homework first, okay? And then you may submit back your classwork, okay? So for example, you just click one of them and then click go. And then you need to submit the homework question by question, okay? When you have, you need to upload, okay? Upload a picture which is showing your homework, okay? And then you click submit. After submitting the first one, you click next, and then you get the second question, and then upload, and then submit, and then next, and so on until the last one, okay? In this case, which will be question number 5. Can you get this?
Yes.
Okay, so please try your best to submit all the homework.
At the recorded Zoom videos, you say you posted, right?
Yeah, here. So that is the homework assignment during class suspension. You click display, and then for example, March.
Okay.
And then can you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is recording and notes for the lessons. Okay, the file, that is what I wrote on the OneNote, and then this is the YouTube link. Okay, you may just watch the video.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Try your best.
Thank you.
Goodbye.